What's up, YouTube, man? Hey, I know it's been a minute again. I got to put in a video, little update on my charger. Me and my car been through a lot. Been through a lot. I was trying to make it to a couple of car events, couldn't make it due to the hiccup, which I would say I should have never took my vehicle to them, because I think they was just way over their head on installing my drag springs. But like I said, man, I got a little update for you guys on this video on the charger and what's going on and what I'm gonna do and things in that nature. I should be installing some more parts and installing some more lights on my vehicle, and I will be making trips to more events. I hate that I missed the Dallas event. I know it was an awesome event. My boy Prince Whips, if y'all don't know who he is, follow my guy, man. Much love, bro. Go follow my guy. He got great footage of that event and the race, you know what I'm saying, the race day he went to the next day. Pretty cool, man. I wish I was there. But like I said, man, once I get Ghost all finished up, fixed up, ready to go, she going to the shop tomorrow. She about to get broke down, put back together in good measure. But after that, you know, I'm gonna get in line and get my tires on and all that good stuff. And then it's just a waiting game after that, you know what I'm saying? Waiting game. Not necessarily waiting a long time, just trying to find the right people and where I'm gonna do, you know, take off a week from work, so I can make a trip to get this cam kit installed. Like I said, I got a few updates for y'all guys, so just stay tuned. Watch the short videos. It's gonna be a small video, not too shabby, just a little update of what's going on. But here we go. I'm gonna show you a little from the inside out of my car what's going on. And I wanted to go ahead and show you guys the reason why she's going into the shop today at 8 in the morning. Like I said, if you listen, excuse the beeping noise. I got my seatbelt on, but here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and put my seatbelt on so y'all can hear it. All right, here we go. Hopefully I can hear it. If you didn't hear it, it's basically feel like my shocks are I guess overextending or underextending, however you want to say it. But that's because I took it to, and I say this with no disrespect. Let me turn the light on. I'm sorry, guys. But I do not recommend, other than going to get your oil change, at Quick Lane. Everything else, you better off going somewhere else. I just picked $600. And I thought a little penny there. $600.01 for them to mess up my car like this. I told them I had everything in the back seat. Everything they needed to put on the car. The new drag springs, 1320 drag springs, with the new rubber bushings that's supposed to be on the, top and bottom of it. The rubber pieces that's supposed to be on the top and bottom. And I literally got off of work probably like 7 o'clock. Made it up there about 7:30 and been there from 7:30 all the way to 4:30. In the midst of them times, people kept coming in, hey, I had this fix here, and it's still doing this and still doing that. And something told me, oh, they finna mess up mine. But I gave them a benefit of the doubt. And I probably shouldn't have done that too. But I did. Come to find out, they put my drag springs on, then put the new rubber pieces on, didn't align the car like I asked them to. So now, instead of my car sitting straight, kind of sitting like that. Pulled off. Like, what the heck is this? Called him and say, hey man, something wrong. Something feels like it's loose or something. Take it back up there. Oh, everything's tight. Everything's seen. I don't know why it's making. Hey, figure it out, because I'm not supposed to leave this lot until stuff fixed. That's a road hazard. You know what I'm saying? Took my car back again, and they raised it up, looked at it, and they had the audacity to tell me that they burnt out, couldn't figure it out, which led me to believe that they was really in over their head. But I would not recommend them as far as fixing on anything, brakes, none of that. I would not recommend that. I just won't. You better off going to a dealership or going to, people that you know locally. And that's all I got to say about that. But back to my update. All right, guys. As you can see, I have replaced the mats in here. Got the nice black and red to accommodate. You know what I'm saying? Y'all remember when I installed those right there. And y'all remember when I installed the lights on the inside, of course. You know what I'm saying? Y'all remember that on my last video. But I wanted to show you a few updates. Just a few updates. Like I said, I had my cash can, JLT cash can right there. 180 thermostat works really good. I stayed no higher than 85, 185 to be exact. I can't tell you this. This will not be my daily driver much longer, because I noticed when I put this in, yes, it runs 180, 185, you know what I'm saying, 180, 185 when you on a highway or racing and anything like that. But just driving around daily, you have to be going fast everywhere you go to keep that temperature at 180, 185. Other than that, it's going to run normal temperature, which I'm pretty sure, you know what I'm saying, it can cause engine overheat, whatever. But like I said, I pick up my kids in this, you know what I'm saying, daily. So shoot, they see me pull up, I'm pulling up 80 miles per hour, you know what I'm saying? No, I'm just playing. But Yeah, I mean, I pretty much drive fast just to keep, you know what I'm saying, temperature down. I added my cold air intake. Got a ported throttle body right here. I went with the same size, just ported. May go bigger, depends. But right now it's just a ported 87 mm's. My new cold air intake by JLT. Tell a big difference. Big difference. Got coming in here pretty soon a ported intake manifold, which if I get that in and I like how I do, I might go ahead and change this thought about it, make it bigger. But like I said, man, I got my full cam kit in. I'm just, you know what I'm saying, gotta go get some more little parts, the bolts and fluid and all that, and I can go ahead and slap that in there. Wheels are still here. I still got my regular wheels on, but they will be taken off sometime this week, and I will have my 17s race stars. Excuse the train in the background. Hold on, give me just a second. Train will come and interrupt my update, but like I said, sometime this week I will have these changed out to my 17 race stars, which I got them. One in the trunk and one right here. Those will be put on sometime this week. Like I said, my Max, changed them out. Other updates. Let's see. I got my cam kit in. My beefed up drive shaft will be coming in pretty soon, and my long tube headers will be coming in, and also my torque converter. Those are the only thing I'm waiting on. My torque converter, long tube headers, drive shaft, and intake manifold. Once I get those, like I said, I'm taking a week off. Work, taking it down to, I don't know who I'm gonna take it down to yet. It's between Illinois, Texas. You know what I'm saying? I'll figure it out when that comes to that. But take it down there, let them go ahead and put the cam kit in, tune it, and all that good stuff. I also installed my lights. Let me show you guys that. I also installed these lights right here on my car, as I can see. Very satisfied with it. Still got more to come. Fog lights, gonna have their little lights color chasing. Like I said, the little headlamp right here. Little headlamp right here. Color chasing, and so is the islands inside the light. But all this right here, color chasing, this color chasing, and the fog lights right here, color chasing. Yeah. Pretty much the update on Ghost right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm very proud of her. You know what I'm saying? She's hanging in there, even though she got a little hiccup due to the back shocks. But like I said, man, Rome wasn't built in a day. We're gonna have trial and error. We're gonna get it done. She'll be ready to go back, you know what I'm saying, go back to these shows. Yeah, excuse me messing the trunk, but like I said, lights, the fog lights, the headlight lamp, you know what I'm saying? Headlamp, color chasing, all that right there gets installed. I know a place in Little Rock But I'm trying to see if there's a place closer to Jonesboro. So if anyone y'all know anything, any place, you know what I'm saying, down here in Jonesboro, if you're watching this, man, comment below. You know what I'm saying, place I can get that installed. My other rim right there. And here are my new shocks that I'm putting on the back. These are Lakewood. Can't see the name, but these are Lakewood, and those getting put on tomorrow. And when they get put on, pretty much I'm going to get a line so they can put my wheels on. And it'll be sitting right and ready for me to go ahead and put on anything else I was gonna put on. Oh, I almost forgot. One more thing. Let me turn these lights off so y'all can see it. I almost forgot. Hold on just a second. I went with if y'all know my car, y'all know the dip, y'all can tell the difference. I changed my soft white to LEDs. I also gotta show you one more thing. I also installed, you guys can see, you guys can see it. Yes, sir. Start the rear end brace. Like I said, soon she won't be my daily driver because I'm basically building this for a race car / show car. So won't be driving it like that. So anyway, guys, like I said, I'm gonna show you a picture of my cam kit, everything like that. And that's all I got for you guys, man. Till next time, next car meet. Got our cars and coffee coming up on the 24th of this month, I believe. So y'all stay tuned for that. Anyways, guys, thanks for following me. If you haven't followed me, hit that subscribe button and enjoy the ride. Man, I ain't never seen one. Yeah, I see what it is. The new Bronco. Yes, sir.